Welcome. In this video, I'll show how you can enable developer options in Redmi. To start, you will need to launch your device's settings and here enter the About Phone category. Now, you will need to tap on the OS version continuously, and once you'll see the "You are now a developer" message, that means that developer settings or options were enabled successfully. Sometimes on the older Redmi phones, you will need to press the build version instead of the OS version. So keep that in mind. Just find the spec that you can press multiple times and get the reaction or get the feedback from. And once it is found, repeatedly just tap on it until you'll receive "You are now a developer" message. Now, when it comes to, finding those developer options, you will need to once again enter settings, then go into the additional settings category, and here simply open the developer options. Here they are. In order to switch this mode off, simply toggle off the developer options here and restart your device. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.